Hello everyone and welcome to Adventure Evolve. So today I'll be making pancakes and I'll share the recipe with you. So let's get started. What I'll use is 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon salt, and gonna be using baking powder around 3/4 of a teaspoon. So I've got a measuring wheel, so we've added the baking powder according to the recipe, right? And I'm gonna mix all of this well. Now that it's mixed, we'll add milk, 3/4 cup of milk. And to this milk, we'll add around 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And to this, I'm gonna add like a few drops of vanilla flavoring, like 3 or 4 drops. A little bit too much. And finally, I'm gonna add an egg. And we're going to soon mix this all well together. Now that we've added all the ingredients, I'm going to mix them well now. Now that our mixture is ready, I've taken a pan here, put it over the flame, and now I'm gonna add some oil. Now I'm going to take the batter we made and pour it into the pan. Now we'll wait, and we're not gonna use high flame, just medium to low flame, and just let it cook. Now what we want is when we start to see bubbles on top, and just making sure it doesn't stick with the pan anywhere. Now just when you start to see that the sides are starting to become brown, that's the time you want to flip it over. Wow, you can see such a beautiful golden color. So now that the other side has cooked as well, and our pancake is ready. Now that our pancakes are ready, I'm just gonna take some butter, put it on top over here, like so, and finally, we'll add some maple syrup. And our pancakes are ready. Let's try it out. Really fluffy and delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe and make it yourself. Enjoy. Have a nice day.